Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, in light of recent statements from a major reggae and dancehall festival about some form of crowning ceremony in which they presented some artists that it looked like they must say up for consideration of the crowning or the crown itself, and them left off one key figure. Now, Buju Banton, the only other reggae and dancehall artist who I would say even worthy to be considered. I said no, one artist I do it from him forward back from Workhouse. As a matter of fact, I want to look and listen, and then we go continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, look and
we have made music before all the trappings that is now attached to music. Ever hearing it? Me come out of Workhouse and a cartel me come see around the place, same me. I'm addressing a conflux of issues.
Yes.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, the artist from him forward from Workhouse. Yeah, Buju original foundation road boy. Them never used to say behind the bars, the real in a Workhouse they used to say. And that's why I have a content for respect an artist like Buju Banton, viewers and subscribers. Not only is his attributes and the creativity we bring to dancehall legendary, but it's an artist who pay respects to the younger generation. And him not afraid to say a Vybz Kartel are the artists who dominate the dancehall music scene, and him say him see it with him own eyes since him forward right us up on the side from the Workhouse, viewers and subscribers. Very excited to hear Buju has said anything. I can't point this out enough. The Gargamel is an artist with Vybz Kartel himself respect. Yeah, Vybz Kartel himself, and him said numerous times. I see him say it on set for a music video. I must hear him say it in a song itself. Him say Buju is the artist to inspire him. And on the first me hear Buju say Vybz Kartel the artist. Him say it's the teacher's song stimulate him thought process, the way him perceive things. His own understanding of a certain situation is advanced, or him get a different perception of it when him listen. Even Vybz Kartel that talk about the same thing when him just premeditate. And that is a big, very big achievement for other artists have, and an artist who do music before him. Vybz Kartel is not just considered as the king by his fans, but also key music stakeholders, whether it be promoters, engineers, producers, record label owners, are superstars themselves, just like Buju Banton. It's a fact. We not just say that. This is not just speculation, and we are make this up. And Buju tell them. So in light of recent statements, one thing I can say, me I hope is a surprise factor, just like when Spice to do a performance first year, and she have a Vybz Kartel tribute. And it was celebrated. It was one of the biggest things that happened on that showcase for the whole the couple nights that it was held for. I did the biggest thing that happened on the showcase. So I wonder if right now they might plan a secret or a surprise celebration of the teacher's legacy. And the only thing that, and the only reason why them probably wouldn't put him up there with the other names, because it is widely known that Vybz Kartel is the king. Even Beanie know that. Recently when he make him statements to the fans react, him know that. And if he made a play naive, and I pretend say no, him know now. So everybody know this. So for them make a statement like that, we don't know. I must that them a previewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. I don't know if you agree with a thought like that. Do you think that Mr. Danovich and other investors for the Sumfest showcase are planning a secret celebration of Vybz Kartel and his legacy in a dancehall music currently, by showcasing that yes, we have had a number of big names in dancehall music who have impacted the genre, but in this day and age, this is the artist who has impacted dancehall the most for this generation and even the previous one for leading up to this one. Because remember, them are going to showcase that Spice is the current queen. So alongside Spice viewers and subscribers, which other dancehall artists currently you would have said a dominate dancehall music? It can't be nobody else who did have a hot song in the 90s. It can't be somebody with them last hot song I did in the early part of the 2000s. No, it have to be somebody who has been dominating the charts from that time until now. And currently a one artist alone can drop tracks and instantly. They don't say instantaneous. I say instantly. The reaction when the track get makes it the number one trending track in the diaspora. The reaction, because that's how a song trend. For those who are wondering how songs become a trending song, it is the interaction, the shares, the comments, the likes, and you know what I mean, the different things that make it a trending track. So in order to reach 1 million views, it become a trending track. Just because the reaction and interaction from the track or from the content put out makes it trendy. And Vybz Kartel is one of the only artists. Some other artists can trend. I see an artist recently drop a track. And in fans them say, yes, see the track here. Well, I gave him 24 hours it last trending. I shouldn't say, I say drop our music video and she say a trend. Yeah. And when the teacher drop theme track them viewers and subscribers. And I'm nothing normal in a dancehall music. And not just because it's a Vybz Kartel. And because of the creativity, remember people listen to the song first and then the interaction from what them hear. So the teacher continues to deliver a style of music that the fans locally and internationally love and gravitate to. And to me see, very hard to duplicate or even simulate. People have tried. But it just not seem right. Vybz Kartel is a very unique artist. And unless they are planning to celebrate the artist and his legacy, any other artist crowned king or whatever the case may be will not be acknowledged by the dancehall community, especially core dancehall fans. We won't. We have already decided. I mean, some people that say the fans can't crown him. So that means to them I say it is left to industry stakeholders, the industry for crowning. And true, I get on and say, but look at this, food for thought. When Jackson them was crowned King of Pop, it was because of sales performances and just overall reaction to Jackson as an artist. In a dancehall music in this day and age, core dancehall fans, who gets that reaction, who do the numbers in the music? Vybz Kartel. So if you're going to look at it even from a perspective of the numbers, then we still have to say the teacher is the man. Without being signed to a major record label, without being out here for can tour and do all the things with other artists have the luxury of doing, him still can't ever dominate the genre of music when him forward in it. The other names they make a call, yes, they might have a run. But in this day and age, maybe only Sean Paul must sit on the list in there. We still sell big numbers in a music. But the style of Sean Paul's music has changed. Different demographic. There's more of a fusion sound of which Vybz Kartel is also known for. And when I say master more than Sean Paul. But the fact that the image where him there, the name where him already have built for himself, him at the right place now where him can sing music for a multitude of different fans. Fans of a certain, let's say the Latin market. Yeah, them a gravitate to Sean Paul music a certain way, so that do numbers. Vybz Kartel have fans in the Latin market as well. Yeah, him have songs in the Latin market as well. So think about that. I definitely food for thought. Only one artist do it the way Vybz Kartel has done it. But that's not the artist to do that. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts on the reasoning. Would you acknowledge any king where is no crown at Sunfest if it is not the teacher? What will be your thoughts on that? talk to me in the comment section. The comment section is always open. First and foremost though, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the settings go. Yeah, drop a like on the blog for me like we hear. The share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion. The comment section is always open no matter when you see the vlog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, comments and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love and also prosper until we reason again.